Black Friday 2025 is here and I am so excited because Lululemon has decided to do Black Friday early yet again, and so I've got my notebook here with me for tips and tricks. A lot of the trends that I've been seeing the past few years, I do want to make a video just so you guys are prepped for Black Friday to ensure that you guys get everything that you want from Lululemon. And also Lolalet sent over some beautiful, like stunning jewelry cases. As a girly that loves jewelry, this is like the perfect thing and I'm so excited to show you. But without further ado, let's get right into it. As mentioned, this is going to be a what to expect kind of Lululemon 2025 Black Friday shopping. What's going on markdowns, trends I've seen in the past, and what I think they'll be doing this year. Nothing is confirmed as of yet. The only thing that we have confirmation right now is that Black Friday early access has started on the Lululemon app for members only. I'll get more into that as well. And lastly, some tips and tricks that have really worked and made the process a little bit more seamless. Obviously, there is always some unexpected things that happen for Black Friday. So just want to make sure you guys are all prepared and ready to get everything that you want from Lululemon. So I do have a notebook where I have notes. Like I literally took notes from trends that I have seen. But if you also don't know what Black Friday is and what that looks like at Lululemon specifically, it is a larger drop of their We Made Too Much, which is their sale section. This time of year, there's also around 1,000 pieces that drop across all categories. So across women's, men's, and accessories. Usually we've seen over 1,000 items drop, so I assume it's going to be the same this year. And don't get too excited though when you hear 1,000 pieces. Usually their core colors and core items don't necessarily hit that sale section, so you won't likely see colors like black, whites, grays, true navy as well don't always hit that, and if they do, it usually means they are getting sunset, which Lululemon basically calls that when they discontinue gear as well. So keep that in mind if you do want some of those core color pieces like a line, no line, black leggings. I can almost guarantee they are not hitting the markdown section, or the true navy ones, anything like that. So if you do want them, I recommend picking them up, especially if you want to gift them to somebody for Christmas, let's say the holiday season. You just don't want them to sell out because pieces like that are very popular. So just to ensure you get what you want, core colors like that, something you have your heart set on, I would say purchase them sooner rather than later. Don't wait for them to go on markdown because they probably won't. Now let's talk about this membership early access, because I'm sure you're curious if you didn't know about it. But yes, Lululemon has these like free membership accounts. They are no charge for you, but they do come with a lot of perks, one of them being this early access. But I will say, if you have a Samsung, it kind of sucks because it does not apply to us because their app is not available for Android. It is only iPhone, so that sucks. Pablo used to have an iPhone and I could see the markdowns that way. He has, as of 2 months ago, actually decided to switch over back to Samsung. He now has the Samsung Fold, so both of us have Androids in this house and I am unable to see that. But I would say if you do not have a membership account with Lululemon, this is your sign to make it. Again, it's free. There's free perks as well, like receipt-free returns. You also get early access to things like this, some member exclusive gifts that they just recently had, and also gear just for members. And also the biggest perk is also if you have this membership account, again, it's free to sign up, but We Made Too Much items are not final sale. You can actually return them for a store credit or a gift card to use on other gear. However, if you don't have one, We Made Too Much items, sale items, Black Friday, Boxing Day, stuff like that is all final sale. So take this as your sign yet again to sign up for that if you have not already. Now, before I get into tips and tricks of how to shop the future sale, because not to worry, everything that they have on markdown right now, if you are panicking, don't. Last year they did the same thing where they let members shop early, and truthfully, it wasn't the best in my opinion. They only marked down a few items. It is nowhere near as many items that are going to drop when they drop Black Friday. So do not panic. Do not expect that this is all that is dropping. I want to say it was probably like 20% last year, not even of what the total things dropped later on. But before I get into more tips, as I mentioned, I am so excited to show you guys these. I picked out beautiful, like beautiful luxury jewelry organizers. I also did get you guys a coupon code. Of course, you can save 20% off with Lola20. I will have my affiliate link in the description for you guys to check out. I got two different organizers. Of course, I had to get a white one because bridal era. If you didn't know, now you know. You can go ahead and use my coupon code to save a little extra money on that. But look at this. Look at how stunning. Yes, it lifts up. When you open it, they have a cute little card and warranty card. It says, "Thank you for choosing Lolalet. We hope your thoughtfully designed jewelry organizers add elegance and convenience to your daily life. For any service requests, please reach out to our support team. We're here for you. Let Lolalet be a cherished part of your story as you become a valued part of the Lolalet community." Cute. Tell me this is not absolutely stunning. I love that it's clear at the top so you can see your jewelry. I love the fact that it just opens up like that. Like, look at that. So pretty. And then of course you have all the space on the inside so you can put your earrings, some rings, charms, anything like that. The bottom one, you can put some sunglasses in here, some watches if you have, and we're not done because it still pulls out at the very bottom to add more stuff. So yes, this is quite a big organizer. I do have a lot of jewelry, which is why I wanted a bigger organizer like this, but they do have different sizes as well and similar to this, but just smaller in case you don't have too much. And this is still pretty customizable as well. If you don't want the tray on the inside and you just want a space for bigger things, you can also just take out the insert, put it like that. Also with this as well, if you don't want all these different compartments, you can take it out. So I do absolutely love that. I love, love, love the quality of it. The outside is a leather kind of material and the inside has suede, which is perfect to make sure that your jewelry is safe. I love the detailing as well. This is more of like a rose gold kind of gold detailing opposed to a bright yellow gold detail. Christmas is coming, the holidays are coming, so of course this would make a perfect gift, but not to worry. Again, they do have different sizes, which I'm about to show you the second one. The one that I just showed you comes in a pink and a black as well, and this one also is more of like a fun kind of color. This is their preserved flower jewelry box. Yes, it comes in this stunning wine color that I picked up, and then it also comes in a white and a black. It also has a clear top. And why do they call it a preserved jewelry box, you might ask? I'm glad you asked, because do you see that center? Yes, the center has beautiful preserved flowers on the inside, and you can put all your jewelry. Not to worry, because if you don't want it in the middle, and let's say you want to take it out and put it somewhere close to it, on the desk, anything like that, it does come out. So you can see it just pops out, and then boom, you have more space to put anything that you want in the middle. So there's also that option, which I thought was just really cute, and I love the color. This is the wine color. It is stunning. Boxes are also good quality. They are a little bit heavy, but understandable. I'd rather have something a good quality than something cheap and flimsy, so this is great. Again, you can put a necklace here, necklaces here, and as you saw, the compartment. You can fully remove the tray, and you can do the same for the white one that I just showed you prior to it. These are the stunning pieces from Lolalet, and I do know that more pieces are going to drop for their holiday collection. I might be lucky enough to get sent those as well, so fingers crossed, so I can show you guys some more cute jewelry organizers. But for now, these are the two that I chose from their website. They had so many to choose from, but I just found these ones stunning. But now to end off the video, some tips for Lululemon and shopping their Black Friday sale. As somebody that has shopped for like 4, maybe 5 years now, like it has been a lot of Black Fridays that I have shopped at Lululemon, so I know a thing or two about what tips can help the process be smoother. Tip number 1 is definitely be patient, because they always say it's going to drop at a specific time, but there's always something that goes wrong, which understandable. It is such a big drop. Things like the website not loading, the things not being able to add to cart, or just a lot of other random stuff does happen on that day. So just be patient and keep trying. Do not give up. Keep trying, because it'll eventually work. So that is definitely tip number 1. Tip number 2 is make your wish list prior to all of this. So if you have a bunch of things at Lululemon, considering everything that I mentioned before, without core colors, blacks, grays, true navies, their core like Align leggings, stuff like that, make sure you have a wish list, because that is your one-stop shop for when the sale goes live. You can just shop through your wish list and see what items are now on markdown and you can just add to cart from your wish list, or you could even have it in your own cart. If you don't anticipate shopping before Black Friday, you can also just go ahead, add it into your cart, and it will upload in your cart quicker, I believe, than it actually does on the website. That used to happen for We Made Too Much's on Thursday. If you had something in your cart, you would actually see the markdown reflect faster than it does on the actual Black Friday or We Made Too Much section. So that is a good tip as well, either on your wish list or cart, but have kind of an idea of what you want. And it's always good to just be a little bit extra prepared, because people are going to want to buy the same thing as you, especially if it is a good deal. Tip number 3 is actually do multiple orders. I know some people are not gonna like that, because of course you're gonna get different deliveries and different bags and stuff like that, but I personally am somebody that does multiple orders, because by the time, if you really want something and you just keep going on the Black Friday website, people are going to be checking out, because someone might just want one thing and you might want like 3 things, and by the time you're done putting everything in your cart, things are going to sell out. So if you really have your heart set on anything, I would say absolutely check those out first, make sure you secure that order, and then do a second sweep on the markdown section to see if there's anything else that you potentially would want. That has worked for me multiple times. Everything that I absolutely want or things that I have on my wish list, immediately add to cart, and then I check out, and then I will do a second sweep of the markdown section just to see what else I wanted. But if you don't want to spend a lot of money, I recommend just buying truly what you want and closing Lululemon, and that is it, because the second sweep can be dangerous and can make you shop a lot more than you expected. Number 4 is don't forget, everything that dropped today is just member early access. So there's going to be a lot more things dropping when Black Friday actually drops. And that brings me to tip number 5. Do not wait till November 28th, because usually, yes, that is Black Friday, but it has never ever dropped the sale on Black Friday. It's always before. So if I were to guess, this is not confirmed, this is just me speculating right now what I think. I feel like Black Friday is either going to roll out the following Monday, so 1 week from Monday, if you're watching this on Monday, either Monday or Tuesday that it's going to go out. But that's just me. I actually have no idea. So if it's wrong, I'm sorry, but I will also update you guys as soon as I see things dropping. I might even do a video in the moment, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you are not already subscribed. I think we're on tip number 6 now, but use your browser, because it always uploads faster than the app. And I know they did app early access and all of that, but use the browser on actual Black Friday to shop, because it's faster, it'll load quicker. I love shopping on my actual iMac, my computer at my desk, more calm setting. That is it for today's Black Friday 2025. I am so excited that Black Friday is here. I feel like time is actually flying. Let me know if you purchased anything from today's early access Black Fridays for members. I'm curious to see what it was, what you purchased, or are you holding off until Black Friday, the bigger drop? And if so, what are you hoping to buy for Black Friday? I actually don't know what I want to buy, because truthfully, I placed a pretty large order on Lululemon. It was like core things I don't think are going to go on markdown, but I'm still going to have a haul for that, because Vlogmas is coming, you guys. I almost forgot. It is almost time for Vlogmas. I will be filming every other day for the entire month of December. I'm gonna have Lululemon gift card giveaways as well, and maybe another giveaway for a lounge set. I'm still trying to figure it out, but for sure Lululemon giveaway is coming, so stay tuned for that. I have so many things planned that I'm so super excited, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy shopping. Bye.